Alright everybody, here goes a video on how to construct a triangle using the side-side-side method. This is Mr. Longo here, and letting you know that the first thing we're going to need to do is have our compass and some sort of straight edge. And if you want a different pencil, that's fine, or you can just use the one that's on your compass. So to do this, it's going to require multiple steps, so at any point in time feel free to pause the video so you can keep up. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create one of your points and call it point A. So I've already done that here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a triangle using all three of these segments. So the first thing we're going to do is create segment AB. You can really start with any one you want, but I find it easier to start with the bigger one. So what you need to do is set your compass so that your compass point and your pencil line up perfectly with A and B. And then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put your compass point on A and give a little swoop. Okay? And then somewhere on that is going to be your point B. So it really doesn't matter where. So you just take your straight edge, line it up, and draw a line. And that right there is vertex B now. Okay? So we have the first segment done. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create segments AC and BC. Now to do that, you're going to need to set your compass again. So after you've created segment AB, if you want to go from A, what you need to do is then adjust your compass so the width is equal to AC. Now you can't just copy it down like we did the last one because we're not entirely sure where it's going to be. So what we're going to do is once we have it all lined up, we're going to take our compass point and put it back on A, and we're going to give a bigger swoop this time. And the reason why is because we don't exactly know where BC is going to line up with AC. Okay, so that's the second part. So recap step 1, create AB. Step 2, put a big arc because C is going to be somewhere on that arc. Okay, C is going to be somewhere on there. We don't know where yet. Then the last thing we're going to do is we need to come up with where BC is going to be. So if we take our compass and adjust it so we have the length BC measured, now we're going to put our compass point on B and put another arc, and where they intersect is where C needs to be. So that's why we had to make a big arc with this, because we really couldn't predict exactly where it was going to be. So now that we took our arc that represents BC, where those intersect is where C must be if we are going to follow the side-side-side pattern. And after you have created that point, you can just take your straight edge again to connect AC and BC. And that's it. You now have just created a triangle using the side-side-side method. Okay? So again, recap. First step, draw one of the sides. I like to start with the biggest one, so AB. Step 2, put an arc representing possibilities of where AC or BC could be. You get to choose. And then step 3, put another swoop representing the last segment, and where those two intersect is where that other vertex needs to be. Okay? That's it for creating side-side-side triangles. This is Longo and I'm out. See you, bye.